Welcome to Piclite News. Many vessel schedules are changed, delayed, or canceled because of COVID-19. In the 2020, we have an exhibition in Taipei, which is called AMPA. Let's go to have a look.
Piclite Enterprise Corporation attends regularly for worldwide popular exhibitions such as Automechanica Istanbul, AMPA Taipei, Automechanica Dubai, Apex Las Vegas, Automechanica Shanghai. Let's take a look at AMPA Taipei now.
Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. Most of you cannot visit AMPA this year, so I'm going to take you inside, have a look. This year about 50 of company joined the exhibition, so let's go to see them.
Despite the effect of COVID-19, AMPA still hosts its exhibition this year. The key element of AMPA focused on Advanced Driver Assistance System, so-called ADAS, and auto parts, electric vehicles, and telematics. It's been a long time not to see every one of you this year, and we hope to see you again soon on those mentioned exhibitions.
Welcome back. Winter time is coming. It's getting more serious for the COVID-19 now. It's about 40 million people affected by COVID-19. All of us have to be more careful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.